Mighty. There's real power in our name. So let's put that power to work in smart, new ways. As a call to action to the entire industry, to inspire automotive professionals to think differently about how our products, services, and resources can help rev up their business and drive more success. For over half a century, we've been mighty. Now, it's time to take ourselves and our customers to the next level. To challenge people to think beyond the status quo and be empowered, be inspired, be driven, be mightier.